Got 2010 Chevy Cobalt here with transmission issues. Car was okay. Guy was driving the car like really normally, and all of a sudden he shows up here and he said that transmission has issues. He took it some transmission place, I think to the dealership, told him you need the transmission, you need this, you need that. He brought it to me. I don't really work on transmissions, but wanted to help the guy out. I knew there was something electronically bad in the car, because as soon as you reset the engine light comes back right away, and that's when you know there is something electronically screwed up, or there is some kind of short to ground or to power or some. So when I looked around, I did check all the wirings here, and I did see that this wiring was hanging down here for some reason. I think it was hitting the fuel filter housing or something, or the block itself. It's weird. And as you can see here, all the wires are burned out. See, they're actually burned and shorted together. You can see the damage here. It's kind of tight, as you can see. All the wires there are burned. So that's where the problem is for this car. That's why transmission is acting up. So we're gonna go ahead, cut this shield here, and try to splice the wires together, reset the check engine light, and see what happens. So let's go ahead and do that. The car, I think, was given 700 code, which is transmission TSM, malfunction module, this and that, first to second shift malfunction, third to fourth malfunction, all kind of crazy stuff. The car is jerking around and stuff. So because of that, and we're gonna go ahead and fix them and reset the check engine light and see what happens. Okay, I have put tape and spliced all the wires. I'm gonna try to put a metal shield here so that doesn't happen again. The car is running perfect, no check engine light. Before, as soon as you put the key on, you start it and you move the shifter. As you can see, the shifter is moving, no more jerking around or anything, and the check engine light is gone. Before, like about 10 seconds, it just right up. As soon as it detected there is something wrong, it just comes on. So that's your fix. If you have a problem with that, go to the filter housing there. That too much heat, somehow it's rubbing or whatever is going on in there. So good luck.